1984 Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. Look at the stance on that truck. Nice looking. Medium blue metallic paint. Small block Chev, powered underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes. That V8's paired up with an automatic transmission. Take a look at the front grille. Chrome bumper, headlight surrounds. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this car from every angle, inside and out, underside. Engine bay, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on US mag wheels. See 20-inch up front. Front disc brakes. Should get a look up and down that kind of, again, medium blue metallic, I guess I'd call it. Cloth and vinyl blend interior. "20-inch wheels in the rear also. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the tonneau cover there, Tuxedo brand. And you'll be able to see the bed in the still pictures with the tonneau cover rolled up. And again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You look up and down the driver's side. Again, paint shows well. Be a fun one to take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Custom blue LED lighting on the interior. Highlight that blue exterior. Shoulder belts, as you can see with the seat belts. We're going to go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out underneath the hood. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo added. Take a look at the dash. Good shape. And one last look at the seats here, free of rips, tears, holes. You'll notice sliding rear window. Your storage compartment set up with the visors. Good sounding V8 underneath the hood. Listen to this. Good sound to it. Alright, I'm going to slip up front. Pause this a second. Let me get this hood open, and we'll check out the engine bay, wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Paint matching the exterior. The rest of this engine bay. Got small block Chev headers, power steering, power brakes, HEI ignition, 4-barrel, Edelbrock 4-barrel, wind intake. Good sounding engine. Nice tidy engine bay too. Chevrolet C10 regular cab short box. Good looking truck. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.